Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix a lease agreement with Zillow, detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by navigating to the Zillow website using your preferred web browser. Once on the home page, locate the menu at the top of the page. Click on the Rent tab to access rental listings and resources. Scroll down to find the Manage Rentals section and click on it. If you haven't already, create an account or log in to your existing Zillow account. After logging in, select your rentals from the drop-down menu. Find the lease agreement you wish to fix within your list of properties. Click on the property to open its details. Look for the option that says Lease Agreement or Edit Lease. Review the current terms of the lease agreement displayed on the screen. Make necessary changes to the lease, such as updating names, dates, or rental amounts. Ensure all modifications are in compliance with local rental laws. After making changes, review the entire lease thoroughly for accuracy. Once satisfied with your edits, save the updated lease agreement. Consider printing a copy for your records and sending one to your tenant. Lastly, confirm that your tenant acknowledges the changes. This will help ensure both parties are aware of the updated lease agreement. With these steps, you should successfully fix your lease agreement on Zillow. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.